One of the most highly anticipated premieres in the aviation world is that of the Boeing 777X series. The impressive jetliner is not expected to enter service until at least 2025. While the aviation world awaits the debut of Boeing's newest airliner, AeroTime had the chance to take a look inside the first Boeing 777-9 ever built. This was a rare opportunity to witness a side of the aviation industry that usually remains behind the scenes. Not only is it the world's biggest twin-aisle jet, but it also features the General Electric GE9X engine, the largest commercial jet engine to date. Its fuselage is the longest in the world at 76.72 meters. Boeing is pitching the new 777X as an alternative to the Airbus A350. But what exactly is inside a test cabin? The Boeing 777-9 cabin is packed with testing equipment. Engineers monitor and analyze huge amounts of data during these test flights. Engineers can transfer water between the different tanks positioned throughout the cabin in order to adjust the center of gravity of the aircraft while in flight. The Boeing 777X has suffered several delays with its certification and entry into service, which is likely to still take at least another 18 months. Meanwhile, Boeing has been delighting spectators at air shows, such as the 2023 Paris Air Show.